So if anyone has been away from home for quite some time, you always miss a homemade type food. And here, since I'm back in Trinidad and Tobago to be exact, my mom, she's actually making stewed fish and dumplings. So what you're doing, Mom? What is this?
Kneading the flour for the dumpling.
Alright, what's inside?
This flour and a pinch of salt, of water.
This is how the dough looks when it's kneaded.
Form it, the shape of the size of a golf ball. Then it's been pressed. And there you got your dumpling, ready for boiling.
Dumplings are not the same as the oriental type dumplings. So you would find this around the Caribbean, especially here in Trinidad and Tobago. You can find this type of dumplings. So if you visit, you are not going to see the oriental type dumplings or dim sum. Freshly caught tuna that has been marinated. Well, it's in a coffee bottle. Caribbean people love to put things into stored jars for recycling purposes for some weird reason. Inside, it's a mixture of certain types of herbs, wild oregano, cilantro, pimento peppers. These are not spicy. This is mahi-mahi or dolphin fish, and this is tuna. So this is the process of actually doing a stew. Stewed fish, potatoes and bananas, green bananas. Can't beat this. As natural as it gets. No artificial anything, it's stewed fish. Nothing beats a home cooked meal. It's totally different. Now, you get savory, you get sweet, you get spicy, a mixture of combinations with different flavors. This is basically a local drink. Mobi. Clear the bark of a tree with some other spices like star anise. Then it's boiled. Then sugar is added and refrigerated. You have a nice refreshing herbal type drink.